Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, this one is gonna be a different one and a fun one. We are welcoming a new series to this channel. It's called Virginia's Rachet Salon. So my mom wanted me to paint her hair like vlog style. Give me makeup, give me a face, and I'm down to do that. But don't give me hair, and do not give me hair dye, cause girl, I am not about that life. Okay, so I already started, but we're gonna continue. My mom is right now on the phone, so I came to do this really quick. So follow me. Let's go. Welcome to my Rachet Salon. So this is very unimprovised. We have aluminum foil. We have the paint, box paint, by the way. It's not no create your own paint type of thing like you do at the salon. And what else? Oh, we also don't have a bowl. We're using a Rachet bowl. It's a plastic cup. Not even, it's foam. And we don't have a brush for the hair. So we'll see how this turns out. Yeah, so she doesn't want to do all her hair. She just wants to do half of her hair. Not even half, just a crown. So I don't know how this is going to turn out. Wish us luck, wish her luck, because this is her hair, not mine. Next we have this other Rachet comb, which is missing some pieces and the end point. So this is what I'm using to separate, like do the wiggly line, you know? I don't know. And then first I'm gonna break this in half. Wait, it's too thick. I'm gonna put some short stuff around with a little hair clip. Flip it right here. So now this part is what I'm gonna paint. So with this, I'm just going to do this wiggly thing that I see people do. My hairdresser does this. I saw her doing it when she was dyeing my hair. And then she took this part, I think it was the top part. However, I don't know if it was, but that's what I'm doing. And then she teased the hair back. She didn't want me to tease it, but you know, I'm gonna follow what my hairdresser did. Because she's bomb.com. That doesn't mean I'm gonna be bomb.com because I don't have anything to be bomb.com. Just gonna tease, tease, tease. Then we get our foil, put it underneath, and since we don't have a brush, I just use my fingers. Ta-da! Just give this a coat. I don't even know what color this is, or if it's even supposed to be blonde or whatever. Now with this little comb, I'm just sort of gonna disperse it like this up, so it's not a harsh line. Fold it, we're gonna fold it like a taco. And the other half like a taco. And then up like a burrito. Okay, and I think that's the back. Guys, I do not recommend you do this at home if you want a professional look. This is just us being ratchet. Hence the name, Virginia's Rachet Salon. Following on Jenna Marbles' footsteps. She said, you know what my mom said? She's like, oh, we're just gonna try it out, and if I don't like it, I'm just gonna dye in another hair color. Okay. a good look at that. Okay, so we are in our last strand. Now what I'm gonna do is I already checked the very first one that I did. It doesn't look like it has developed a lot, but I'm gonna check it again. So you guys can see. Trying to just put as much as I can here with my Rachet Salon and background noises. Please don't unsubscribe. More beauty videos will come out soon. Okay, let's check the last strand, the first strand that we did, which is over here on this side. Come around, come around. This is the very first one that we did. I believe so. Oh, see? Still not developed yet. Needs more time. So since it's a box dye type of thing, I guess now has to stay on for 30 minutes. So I'll see you in 30 minutes, guys. Bye. Ma, ¿cómo se siente estar en mi Rachet Salon? Okay, you guys, so this is how my Rachet Salon masterpiece turned out. It's not that bad, I don't think, right? So this side is like more on the sun. This is how it looks in the sun. How you like it, Mom? ¿Te quedó bien? So since we only did the top, you can tell like a little bit. Like the bottom is a little bit more dark than the top. She was like, we should have done my entire head when she did it. I was like, well, you only wanted the tops. This is it.